Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your blog post on Canva simply by using the website templates for blogs over here. If you can find the actual setting, you will find that there are a bunch of different cool elements that you can simply start. So the first filter I would like to always introduce to you before we even get into the finding the right theme is going into the actual style, right? As you can see, we don't have much of a choice. Everything is like one or two out of style. So unfortunately, we're not gonna have as much choice. But looking at through the theme, you can find a much more variety. We're gonna create a landing page of it, okay? And then we're gonna filter by price and we're gonna filter by free. Is there some choices? Okay, we have some choices over here. So for example, if you click on, let's say, we want something simple. Let's click on this one. So first thing guys, everything that you see over here is customizable. So first thing first guys, everything is customizable. Every piece of the line, of the text, of the shape, everything could be replaced. So the question is, do you want to start with the actual framing? Do you want to replace the whole shape of it? Can you make it larger? Do you want to make it larger? If you can see over here, we have a photo covers which represents all the covers that are currently in use. So if you want to replace a particular cover, you click on the cover and then you come over here and then you click, for example, this cover, okay? Then you want to go back, replace the darker one, right, with something else. So everything is fully customizable, and you want to make sure that you really get an idea how this all works, because when you click change all, everything will change in this. Okay, so you see the lines. If you want to change the colors of the text, there is a different setting for the color of the text. You click on the text and then you scroll down to the color text. For this example, let's just use something that is popping so you guys can understand. So if you want to change all the text with the same color, you want to click change all again. This is how you work smart, you work fast on the Canva app. So when you utilize all these functions and add all the elements and everything appears to be good, then you can download these guys and you can snap it on inside your original blog post. This could be a cover, this could be your landing page, right? Because we select the landing page of your blog, and you can essentially create something reliable. So in every single blog post, you can come over here and edit, for example, put the title of the particular blog post, and this could simply become a cover for every new blog post. It will become a smooth transition and everything will make so much more sense. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.